Welcome, dear viewers, to an exciting journey through some of the strangest, most captivating natural phenomena our planet has to offer. From the celestial ballet of the northern lights to the eerie glow of bioluminescent bays, we'll be exploring the marvels of the natural world that leave us breathless in awe. We'll journey to the far corners of the globe, from the icy landscapes of the Arctic to the sun-drenched deserts of California, to witness the breathtaking power and beauty of nature. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate workings of our planet and the sheer wonder it holds. High in the Arctic Circle, when the night sky darkens to a deep indigo, a mesmerizing spectacle unfolds. Shimmering curtains of light, vibrant green with hints of crimson and violet, dance across the horizon, captivating all who are fortunate enough to witness them. This, my friends, is the Aurora Borealis, more commonly known as the Northern Lights. But what creates this breathtaking display? The answer lies millions of miles away. On the surface of our sun, the sun, a volatile star, constantly releases a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. These particles hurtle through space at incredible speeds, eventually reaching our planet. Fortunately, Earth has a protective shield, its magnetic field. This invisible force deflects most of the solar wind, but at the poles, the magnetic field lines converge, creating a funnel of sorts. It is here at these magnetic poles that the solar wind particles penetrate our atmosphere. As these charged particles collide with the gases in our atmosphere, they transfer their energy, causing the atmospheric gases to glow. Oxygen emits a vibrant green or red light, while nitrogen gives off hues of blue and violet. Imagine standing under this celestial ballet, the silence of the Arctic night broken only by the whisper of the wind. The Aurora Borealis is a testament to the interconnectedness of our universe, a celestial dance choreographed by the sun and performed on the grand stage of our planet's atmosphere. As twilight descends and darkness envelops the coastline, there are certain bays around the world that come alive with an ethereal glow. The water shimmers and sparkles, every ripple and wave leaving a trail of light in its wake. This magical phenomenon is the product of bioluminescence, the emission of light by living organisms. Several locations boast these bioluminescent bays, but few are as spectacular as those found in Puerto Rico and Jamaica. Here, in the warm, shallow waters, trillions of microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates create a breathtaking light show. Dinoflagellates are single-celled organisms, part of the plankton community that drifts in the ocean's currents. But these tiny creatures possess an extraordinary ability. They produce light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. This chemical reaction, known as bioluminescence, is triggered by movement in the water. As the waves crash on the shore or a fish darts through the bay, the dinoflagellates are disturbed, setting off their internal light show. The result is a mesmerizing spectacle of sparkling waves, glowing footprints in the sand, and trails of light left by swimming fish. Imagine kayaking through a bioluminescent bay, your paddle leaving a shimmering wake behind you. Bioluminescent bays are a testament to the diversity and wonder of life on Earth, a reminder that even the smallest of creatures can create the most breathtaking displays. In the frozen wasteland of Antarctica, where ice reigns supreme and temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows, a chilling sight awaits the intrepid explorer. Here, amidst the blinding white of the Taylor Glacier, a 5-story waterfall spills over a cliff, its water stained a shocking crimson red. This, my friends, is Blood Falls, a geological enigma that has puzzled scientists for over a century. The discovery of Blood Falls in 1911 sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Early explorers initially attributed the blood-red color to red algae growing within the falls. However, it soon became clear that something far more extraordinary was at play. The true culprit behind Blood Falls' macabre hue lies deep beneath the glacier, in a subglacial lake that has been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. This ancient lake harbors a unique ecosystem, teeming with microbial life that has adapted to survive in conditions devoid of light, oxygen, and warmth. The water in this subglacial lake is also incredibly rich in iron. Over millennia, the iron, originating from the surrounding bedrock, has dissolved into the water, giving it a rusty hue. And it is this iron-rich water that periodically surges to the surface, staining the glacier with its bloody color. The microbes that thrive in this extreme environment play a crucial role in the formation of blood flows. These microorganisms, starved of oxygen, have evolved to breathe iron instead. As the iron-rich water, laden with these sulfides, reaches the surface and comes into contact with the oxygen-rich air, the sulfides rapidly oxidize, forming iron oxide, essentially rust. Blood falls is a stark reminder that even in the most extreme environments on Earth, life finds a way. Deep in the heart of California's Death Valley, a land of scorching temperatures and parched earth, lies a mystery that has baffled scientists and visitors alike for decades. Scattered across the flat, dry bed of Racetrack Playa, a dry lake bed, are hundreds of rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, that appear to have moved across the ground, leaving long, meandering trails in their wake. These are the sailing stones, and their seemingly impossible journeys have made them one of Death Valley's most enduring enigmas. For years, the movement of these stones was shrouded in mystery. Theories abounded, ranging from the plausible to the outlandish. Some speculated that strong winds, known to sweep across the playa, were responsible. Others proposed that ice sheets, forming on the playa after rare rain events, could somehow propel the rocks across the slick surface. However, it wasn't until relatively recently that the true culprits behind the sailing stones' mysterious movements were finally unmasked. A team of scientists armed with GPS trackers and time-lapse cameras set out to solve the mystery once and for all. Their findings revealed a fascinating interplay of ice, wind, and water at work. During the winter months, temperatures can drop below freezing, and thin sheets of ice can form on the playa's surface after rainfall. When the sun rises and temperatures warm, these ice sheets begin to melt, breaking apart into large floating panels. At the same time, even light winds can set these ice panels in motion. As the ice panels drift across the playa, they can collide with the rocks, pushing them along the slick, muddy surface. The sailing stones of Death Valley are a testament to the power of nature's subtle forces, a reminder that even in the most desolate of landscapes, beauty and wonder can be found. Imagine gazing up at the sky on a bright, sunny day and witnessing a spectacle that seems to defy explanation. Arcing gracefully across the heavens, parallel to the horizon, is a band of vibrant colors resembling a rainbow but with a fiery, iridescent quality. This, my friends, is a fire rainbow, a rare and breathtaking atmospheric phenomenon also known as a circumhorizontal arc. Despite their name, fire rainbows have nothing to do with fire. Instead, they are formed by the interaction of sunlight and ice crystals high in the atmosphere, a delicate dance of light and ice that creates a mesmerizing display of color. For a fire rainbow to occur, a specific set of conditions must align. Firstly, the sun must be high in the sky, at an elevation of at least 58 degrees above the horizon. Secondly, cirrus clouds, those wispy, feathery clouds that grace the upper reaches of the troposphere, must be present. Cirrus clouds are composed of tiny ice crystals, each one acting like a miniature prism. As sunlight enters these ice crystals, it is refracted or bent and separated into its different wavelengths, just like light passing through a prism. However, for a fire rainbow to form, the sunlight must enter the ice crystals at a precise angle. When this precise alignment occurs, the sunlight is refracted and separated into its spectral colors, creating the vibrant hues of a fire rainbow. Fire rainbows are relatively rare, as the conditions required for their formation are quite specific. As we conclude our journey through these remarkable natural phenomena, I hope you'll agree that our world is a place of endless fascination. From the celestial ballet of the aurora borealis to the eerie glow of bioluminescent bays, the natural world never ceases to amaze and inspire. If you've enjoyed this exploration of nature's wonders, please consider showing your support by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on future adventures. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever witnessed any of these strange phenomena firsthand? Or perhaps you know of other intriguing natural occurrences that deserve a spot in a future episode? Let's keep the conversation going and continue to marvel at the wonders of our planet together.